What is up? It is day 9 of the trading journey as a complete beginner. And oh man, it's been such a roller coaster over the last week, from not knowing really anything to day trading to trading, making up to $200-300 profit of my margin, then losing it all, and then deciding to buy the course and just learning everything, watching those videos. You have no idea how much time I spent right here in this chair looking at these two screens, spending time replaying charts, watching the course and learning. But it's just been such a journey, and I'm actually having so much fun with this, which I think is really important. The process of learning, I know right now I'm probably bound to lose money, but that's okay. And I think that's the mindset I really want to go with is instead of getting really big gains, again, I want consistency so that it's only been a week since I started this journey, but I feel like my whole world has changed and flipped upside down. So for over the next couple of weeks and couple of months, I want to just focus, hone down on this trading strategy that I'm doing. So right now I'm doing two strategies. One is for reversals and one is for continuation of trends. Because I am able to sit at the computer for a long amount of time and I don't really have to go and do the 9 to 5 job, I'm able to just really trade and learn about the markets as much as I can. And so over the last few days, I haven't been doing as many trades, but today I did do a trade, and actually I did a couple of trades, and actually I've been able to be at the break even right now. Last night when I was trying out this strategy, oh man, I wish I could have told you that I've got in, but I missed a trade that gave me 30 risk factors just by a hair. Literally, like I was putting my order in and I missed that trade by like 5 seconds. So, if for those that might not understand what 30 risk factors is, essentially if I put $10 into the market for that trade, I would be able to make $300 back. So it's times by 30. So I was a little bit bummed out that I didn't get it, but I thought to myself, hey, if on the first day of trying this strategy and I already found something that gave me 30 risk factors, that means there's going to be more opportunities down the future. It's not like this is going to be the only one. It might not be there always, but still, I'll take it. And I'm just going to keep learning, stay consistent, and just know those aren't the norm. Those are kind of the one of things that are going to come to you. But the 4 to 5 risk factors on each trades, those are the things that will come naturally. And that's what I want to focus on. So that's a quick update of where I am now. I'm really excited to show you guys some of the strategies I've been testing and replaying over this next week. Just as I get a little bit more prepared, understanding about it, and I'll share that with you guys to see and show you my results. All right. I hope this has helped you guys and follow along for the journey. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.